Hi everyone! So in this video, I will show you how to create a whiteboard animation video in Canva. So first, open Canva and then click on Create Design and then Custom Size. You may want to input 1920 by 1080 pixels. In the next step, let's add the text we want to animate. Click on the text, add heading, and for example, we write Draw with me. Let's change it to our desired font. Next, click on the Elements tab on the left side and look for any elements we want to include. Let's add a hand, a pen, and a paper. Once we're done, let's download it. Next, we may want to add another page and delete the existing one. And then click on the apps you can find on the left side and look for Speed Paint. Click Choose the file and upload the image we saved earlier. After that, we click the Add Sketching Hand effect and then animate the image. The AI will automatically generate the animation. As you can see, we had created now an animation. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorial contents. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching!